We started looking at sorghum as part of one of the deep research projects that we were doing. We tend to, in the back burner, have projects which we aren't really expecting like a very quick turnaround, but are more like large, longer-term research projects. So the mandate for this one was, what haven't we fermented yet? Then Chris, who was our head of R&D, came across the history of sorghum and its use in the United States and got kind of excited about it. And as we started to dig in more and more, its uses of a regenerative crop, it being one of the first crops that mankind started working with as a civilization. What I really love about sorghum is it's one of those products that really shows its time and place. For me, it gives you the real sense of the fields and the plains where it sort of comes from. You get this sense of green fields, like toasted hay, like a real sense of the landscape, which for me is always a big part of what we're trying to do and kind of connect the flavor to the memory of the place.